Hey, Dr. Stern here. I got a wonderful question. What can I take to help with bloating? Now, bloating is a pretty complex issue and there's a lot of things you can do, but here are some quick suggestions that I found to be very helpful. Number one, I love parsley. Now, depending on what type of bloating you have, some people have fluid retention bloating, some people have gas bloating. But if you're talking about fluid retention, I love parsley and dandelion as natural diuretics to help flush out the extra salt and water in your body. You could just put parsley and dandelion in some water, bring it to a boil, let it steep for a couple hours, and then drink it slowly, and it's amazing at getting that water out of your system. Now, for gas bloating, I love fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are amazing. You can chew them after a meal. I love ginger, which you could either chew also, or you could boil and steep also as a tea. And I love mint. Fresh mint's amazing at helping digestion and removing or reducing bloating. So those are the things that I really recommend to my patients for bloating. Of course, there's a lot of things when it comes to bloating, what you can do, but real quickly, those are some of my favorites. All right, hope this helps. Have an amazing day.